Huzur, in his book of command, the first Khalifatul Masih, radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he mentioned that the companion of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wasn't deaf. So I would like to know why he noticed this.
It is mentioned by Khalifatul Masih that he has investigated and he has not found any companion to be the deaf of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. To be deaf.
Any companion?
Yes, there was no such companion who was deaf. So.
This is with reference to the verses of the Holy Quran, which indicate that people who hear Ahmad are not deaf. Now, evidently, the prime meaning of that is that whatever is conveyed to them, it reaches their hearts. And those who are deaf, they cannot hear anything. So spiritually, we always understand that by the deaf, they mean they understand the Holy Quran as conveyed to them, and it reaches their hearts. But Hazrat Khalifa al-Masih Awwal, in Mirqatul Yaqeen, which you have mentioned, has carried out an investigation by himself about all the companions of Muhammad, and he did not find even a single one of them to be deaf. They could all hear. It's an amazing thing, you know. For the first time, I am realizing it that his investigation must have been very thorough, because he was a great scholar. And now I come to think of it, I don't also remember any companion who was really deaf. Have you ever heard of any companion? Not to my knowledge. Yes. Please.
Some of the companions, they may have been blind, but not blind by heart. So do we have to take it physically or spiritually, the explanation?
Blind, they may have been, because what they hear reaches their hearts and they understand, and with the eyes of their hearts they see. In that sense, blindness is no problem, because we know many companions of the Holy Prophet were blind. Many companion was blind, but his blindness did not stand between him and the understanding of the Quran.
So it was very important that they can hear.
Yes, it's much more important that they can hear. It's true. Let me see, in the Holy Quran,
Yes.
is it mentioned, child in the belly
Yeah.
is mentioned to hear first or see first?
وَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيًّا بَصِيرًا.
No, after he is delivered, then he is. But while in the tummy,
Yes.
I think he can hear first and see afterwards. So hearing is more important in that sense. And this is a medical fact, that the child can begin to hear things much before he can see things. And in the tummy, the eyes are closed anyway. So all his perception is through hearing. So hearing is very important.